Okay, hello guys, we need to talk. So many of you have been asking me, Joe, what is going on with you? Why don't you upload? Are you ghosting us? Are you an AI? I am seeing all the comments. The good ones, the bad ones, all of it. I want to be completely real with you right now. My videos keep getting removed. I am sitting on a warning strike from YouTube. When you show real dangerous stuff on the internet, they try to shut you down. So please, take your time, listen to me today, and let's talk. A real no bullshit video on how to start hacking. I am not going to give you a boring list of go learn this code. I will give you the exact first steps. After that, the rest is on you. I promise you, you will thank me after this video because I am giving you the mastermind to do this. But before we start, my free hacking course is live, but it only has 500 students right now. I made a promise to build this for you. Go check out the course, and you will thank me after you take it. If you want to support me, you can pay for it. But there is no deal. Just take it for free, learn, and grow. And for those who are deadly serious and want the 2026 hacking skills, my network scanning and website hacking PDFs are available. You can grab them together with a discount code in the description. To avoid spam, just go to my website, look at the descriptions and the videos about the PDFs. Take your time, we are going to be hackers together. My promise to you is this: I am not going to show you how to illegally hack something today. I am going to guide you on exactly how and where to start practicing. You are going to finish the race yourself. Thank you for understanding, and sorry for the long intro. Let's get started. If you want to be a hacker, you don't start by reading a textbook. You start by building your arena. You need a place where you can fight, break things, and make mistakes without destroying your own computer. Step number one, you download VMware. VMware is virtualization software. It lets you run a computer inside your computer. Step number two, you download the Kali Linux virtual machine image and you open it inside VMware. That's it. You just built the arena. Kali Linux is the operating system built specifically for offensive security. It has every weapon you will ever need pre-installed. And the best part? If you type the wrong command and blow up your Kali machine, who cares? You delete the file, you extract a new one, and 5 minutes later, you are back in the fight. It is a completely safe, isolated playground. Once you have Kali open, where do you start? You start by opening your eyes. You start with Nmap. Nmap is the network mapper. It is how hackers see in the dark. I want you to open the terminal in Kali and practice this today. I don't want you scanning random websites on the internet. That's how you get blocked. I want you to scan your own house, find your local network IP range, and run an Nmap ping sweep. You are going to see your mom's iPad. You are going to see your smart TV. You are going to see the router in your living room. Then, I want you to pick one of those devices, pick your smart TV, and run a full port scan on it. You will see numbers pop up. Port 80, port 4043, port 8080. These are the doors and windows to that device. For the first time in your life, you are not just looking at a piece of plastic. You are looking at the digital blueprint of the machine. That is what Nmap does. It gives you the X-ray vision. But here is one thing I have to tell you. You have to research Nmap deeply. You need to learn the advanced stuff, the scripting engine, all of it. If you bought my network scanning PDF and practice with it, you will know absolutely everything Nmap has to offer. That is what I want you to do after this video. Open up your Nmap, learn some networking basics. I have another video on that if you need it. Then, I want you to scan your home. After that, practice scanning outside your home. I promise you, you will feel so good once you do this. Everything is hard when you don't start. But after you take that first step and actually start, everything becomes simple and amazing. Please, learn everything about Nmap and practice scanning everything you can legally touch. After you practice seeing the network, you need to learn how to manipulate the web. You open Burp Suite. Burp Suite is an intercepting proxy. This is mandatory. You hook Burp Suite up to your web browser inside Kali Linux. Then, you go to a safe, controlled practice website, like the ones I give you in my guides or a lab on Try Hack Me. You type a fake username and password, and you click login. Normally, that data just flies to the server and the page loads. But because you have Burp Suite running, the internet freezes. The request is caught in midair. You look at your Burp Suite screen, and you see the raw, naked HTTP code. You see your password sitting right there in plain text. And before you let that packet travel to the server, you click on your password, you delete it, and you type something else. You inject a piece of SQL code, then you click forward. You just manipulated reality. You just changed the data after it left the browser, but before it hit the server. That is what Burp Suite teaches you. It teaches you that the internet is just a conversation and you can interrupt that conversation whenever you want. Finally, the weapon, Metasploit. When beginners hear Metasploit, they get intimidated. Don't be. Metasploit is just a massive library of exploits. It's a sniper rifle with 1,000 different scopes. You open your terminal and type MSF console. I want you to just practice searching. You don't even have to fire it yet. Type search Eternal Blue. Type search Apache. Look at the hundreds of payloads that researchers have built. To actually practice firing it, you download a vulnerable machine like Metasploitable 2 and run it in VMware right next to your Kali machine. You use Nmap to find an open, vulnerable port on Metasploitable. You open Metasploit, you load the exploit for that port, you set the target IP, and you type exploit. Boom, you get a command shell. You just hacked a machine. Listen to me. I give you all of this shit to practice. In my free course, in my PDFs, I give you the exact commands. I give you the labs. I point you exactly where to aim. You just have to open Kali Linux, open the tools, and pull the trigger. Now, let me tell you what happens after you do this for a week. Right now, you are motivated. You are going to install Kali, and you are going to feel like a god. But I am going to be completely real with you. The honeymoon phase ends. Next week, you're going to try to run an exploit, and it's going to fail. You're going to type an Nmap command, and it's going to give you a massive red error message. You're going to try to connect Burp Suite to your browser, and your internet will completely break. You are going to sit in a dark room at 2 a.m., staring at a broken terminal, and you are going to feel incredibly stupid. I know because I felt stupid. Every single elite hacker on Earth felt stupid when they started. When the exploit fails, 99% of people quit. They close the laptop, they go play a video game, and they go back to being normal consumers. They say, hacking is too hard, it's not for me. If you want to be a hacker, you have to realize something right now. Hacking is 90% pain and frustration, and 10% pure God mode adrenaline. When you get an error message, that is not a failure. An error message is the machine talking to you. The computer is literally giving you a hint. It is saying, hey, I don't like what you just typed. And here is exactly why. A script kiddie sees an error and cries. A real hacker copies that error, pastes it into Google, pastes it into an AI, and hunts for the answer. They read the boring documentation, they rip the problem apart until they understand why the machine said no. If you don't have the patience to solve a broken tool, you will never have the patience to break into a corporate network. You have to fall in love with the frustration. You have to become obsessed with the puzzle. You don't need a computer science degree to start. You don't need to be a math genius. You just need curiosity and an unnatural refusal to quit when the screen turns red. Stop watching other people live your dream on the internet. Take control. Tonight, you download VMware. You download Kali Linux, you open the terminal, go to the description. Get the PDFs, get into the free course. Use the guides to practice exactly what we talked about today. Start building your arena. Start breaking things. I will see you on the inside. Una vida. Un tiro. Haz que cuente.